Today we are going to start a chapter of 10th, which is linear equations in two variables. So first we'll study what is linear equation. If we have an equation like 4x plus 3y is equals to some number, which is, let's say it is 9. So this is known as linear equation. Now, why it is linear equation in two variables? Because as we can see, we have one variable which is x and one variable which is y. Now, if for example we have an equation like 4x square plus 3y is equals to 9, then this is not a linear equation, because here we have two variables, but the degree or the power of the variable is more than 1, which is 2, 3. So it cannot be a linear equation in two variables. Now here, even if the degree of the y is 1, but the degree of x is 2. So this whole equation is not a linear equation. Now let's take some examples. Here there are some examples. Now first example is 4m plus 3n is equals to 12. So this is a linear equation, and here the degree of both the variable is 1. Now next, 3x square plus minus 7y is equals to 13. Here even though the degree of y is 1, but the degree of x is 2. So this whole equation is not a linear equation. Similarly, the rest of all. Now in the sixth example, it is 4 by x plus 5 by y is equals to 4. Here the degree of x is not 1, it is raised to minus 1. See, the equation is 4 upon x plus 5 upon y is equals to 1. So here we can write 4 into 1 by x plus 5 into 1 by y is equals to 1. When we reciprocal it, we get x raised to minus 1 plus 5y raised to minus 1 is equals to 1. So here the degree of the variable x and the degree of the variable is minus 1, not 1. So this is not a linear equation. I hope you have understood this. Now let's start with some exercises. Okay, so now we will start with the practice set 1. Here the first question says that complete the following activity to solve the simultaneous equation. Now what do you mean by simultaneous equation? Simultaneous equation means we need to find, the two equations are given and we need to find the values of the variables. Here the variables are x and y. Now note that here the equation is given wrong in the textbook. It was printed 2x plus 3y is equals to 12, but the equation should be 2x minus 3y is equals to 12. Now let's start. Here we are adding the equations first and second. Now let me show you how to do that. Now let's come back to the textbook. Here plus 3y and minus 3y gets cancelled. So here we are left with 7x and it is 9 plus 12. So I will get here 21. Now x will be equal to 21 and this 7 will go to the denominator, which is 7. So it is 7 ones are 7, 3s are 21. So I got x is equals to 3. Now we need to place x is equals to 3 in equation 1. We can replace x in any of the two equations, but here it is given in equation 1. So 5 into 3, because here the equation 1 is 5x plus 3y is equals to 9. So here in the place of x we will replace by 3. So 5 into 3 plus 3y is equals to 9. So 3y will be equal to 9 minus, now this 5 3s is 59, it will go on the opposite side of the is equal to and we'll get minus 15. So 9 minus 15 is minus 6. So we'll get y is equals to minus 6 upon 3, which is equals to minus 2. So here the solution of x and y is 3 comma minus 2. That means x is 3 and y is minus 2. Now how to check whether we have got the right answer? So here the two equations are 5x plus 3y is equals to 9. This is my first equation given, and the second equation given here is 2x minus 3y is equals to 12. Now we got x as 3 and we got y as minus 2. Now we will replace x value and y value in both this equation simultaneously. Now to get the RHS, we'll replace in the LHS and we'll get the RHS. Now for the first equation, 5 into 3 plus 3 into minus 2 will give you 15 minus 6, which is equals to 9. So we have got the RHS. That means for first equation the x and y values are right. Now we'll check for the second equation. 2 into 3 minus 3 into minus 2 will be equal to 6. Minus of 3 2's is minus 6, which is equals to 6 plus 6, which is equals to 12, which is equals to RHS. And therefore for this equation also the x and y values are x is 3 and y is minus 2. So for both this equation the x and y values are satisfied. So x is equals to 3 and y is equals to minus 2 is the solution for these two equations. Now let us go ahead with question number 2. Now question number 2, we need to solve this by our own. Now the first equation is, here is practice set 1. I am solving question number 2. It says that 3a plus 5b is equals to 26. This is my first equation, and my second equation is a plus 5b is equals to 22. Now it is not necessary to only add, we can also subtract on the basis of what we want. So we will write that subtracting equation 1 and equation 2. So 3a plus 5b is equals to 26 minus, we are doing subtraction, plus 5b is equals to 22. Now as we are subtracting, the sign changes. So here it is plus sign, so here it will change to minus. Here it is again plus for 5, so it will become minus. Here it is plus 22, so it will become minus. Now 26 minus 22 is 4. This plus 5b, and now the 5b's sign is minus, so here this both will get cancelled out, and 3a minus a is equals to 2a. So therefore 2a is equals to 4. Therefore the value of a will be equal to 4 upon 2, which is equals to 2. So therefore we get a is equals to 2. We'll box it. Now for finding b, we will substitute as a is equals to 2 in any of these two equations. So I am substituting this in equation number 2. So therefore we will write substituting a is equals to 2 in equation number 2. Therefore now the equation is a plus 5b is equals to 22. So I am replacing a is equals to 2. So 2 is equals to 2 plus 5b is equals to 22. So therefore 5b will be equal to 22 minus 2, which is equals to 20. Therefore b is equals to 20 by 5. 5 ones are 5 fours are. Therefore b is equals to 4. Now I have got the values of a and b. So a is equals to 2 and b is equals to 4 is the solution of these two equations. Now we will check. I am replacing a is equals to 2 and b is equals to 4 in the equations. So 3 into 2 plus 5 into 4. Now when I will solve it, I will get 6 plus 20, which is 26, which is equals to RHS. Therefore for first it is verified. Now for the equation 2, I will write 2 plus 5 into 4, which is equals to 2 plus 20, which is equals to 22, which is equals to RHS, and therefore it is verified. So the solution is A comma B is equals to 2 comma 4 is the solution for these two equations. Now I'll give you some of the sums and you can try it at home. If you don't understand, you can ask me the doubts. I will clear it. So now we will solve some special type of problems. Why these are called as special, we will know after some time. Now this in exercise 1 only, in question number 2 only, the 7th and the 8th sum. These are some special type of problems. We will solve the 7th sum. Now the 7th sum says 99x plus 101y is equals to 499. This is my first equation, and my second equation is 101x plus 99y is equals to 501. Here, why these are called as special sums? Because here the x coefficient is equal of the first equation is equal to the y coefficient of the second equation, and on vice versa, the y coefficient of the first equation is same as the x coefficient of the second equation. So these are called as special sums. Here we have a same method for all these type of sums. First, we need to add them both. So we'll adding first and second equation. So 99x plus 101y is equals to 499 plus 101x plus 99y is equals to 501. We will add them, and here we will get 200x plus 200y is equals to 1000. Now what to do after? Now as you can observe, the x coefficient and the y coefficient are same. So we will take out 200 common from both the sides. Now when we take 200 common, we get 200 bracket x plus y is equals to, now when we take 200 common over here, we will get 5. Now we will cancel 200 from both the sides. Therefore, we will get x plus y is equals to 5. This will become my equation number 3. Now what to do next? We will subtract both these equations. That means both these equations. So subtracting equation number 1 and equation number 2. So we'll get 99x plus 101y is equals to 499 minus 101x plus 99y is equals to 501. We are subtracting, so the signs will change. Minus, minus, minus. What we will get here is minus 2x plus 2y is equals to minus 2. Now again we can see the coefficients are same, therefore we can take out common. We'll take out 2 common. So no, we'll take out minus 2 common, or you can take 2 also. We'll take minus 2 common. Therefore we will get minus 2x minus y is equals to minus 2 into 1. So therefore x minus y will be equal to 1, because this minus 2 and minus 2 gets cancelled. So this becomes my fourth equation. Now it is easy to solve this third equation and this fourth equation. So what we can do is we just add them both, because here it is plus 5 and here it is minus 5. So it can get easily cancelled out. So adding equation 3 and equation 4. So we will get x plus y is equals to 5 plus x minus y is equals to 1. This gets cancelled. I am left with 2x is equals to 6. So therefore x will be equal to 6 by 2, which is equals to 3. Therefore I got only till now x is equals to 3. Now the sum is not yet over because we are solving simultaneous equation and we need to get x and y both the values. Still now I have got x is equals to 3. Now you must be thinking that we need to substitute this x is equals to 3 in equation 4 or 3 or 2 or 1. So it is, you are free to substitute x value in any of these equations. Now I will substitute x is equals to 3 in equation number 4 because I feel it is easier. Now, so my fourth equation is, now equation 4 is x minus y is equals to 1 and I got x is equals to 3. So therefore now I am substituting this x value in this equation. So I got 3 minus y is equals to 1 and therefore y will be equal to 1 minus 3. Therefore minus y is equals to minus 2. Therefore y will be equal to 2. So I got, therefore x is equals to 3 and y is equals to 2 is the solution. So why these are called as special sums? Because here these numbers are same and first we need to add them, then subtract them, and then we'll get a simpler equations like this, and then we can find the value of x and y very easily. Now I'll give you some more sums of this type and also some types, some examples of the previous type, so that your doubts are absolutely clear, and if any doubt then you can tell me, I'll surely solve them.